Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm updating the ongoing story of Windows on ARM chips. Let's get into it. So here's an article from the Wall Street Journal updating the ongoing situation with the Copilot PCs that Microsoft launched with its PC partners back in June. You will remember that these PCs, in addition to some new AI features, have Qualcomm ARM-based chips instead of the traditional Intel x86. The problem is that virtually all Windows software to this point has been written and compiled to work on Intel chips and not Qualcomm ARM chips. Microsoft has smartly provided an emulation layer called Prism that can, on the fly, translate software written for Intel into ARM so that the new Qualcomm chips can run the software. This works fine for the majority of applications. However, it works terribly for high-performance applications. The most notable example being games. The game's 3D graphics, it just takes a lot of resources, and often using an emulation layer just isn't feasible. So we've known about this situation for these new PCs for some time. As I said, they launched in June, and now a little over 2 months later, it would seem that the situation hasn't changed too much. According to this article, it would seem that most PC game makers have not recompiled their games in order to offer an ARM-specific version. This makes sense because I don't think gamers are likely to even buy these PCs. There probably isn't much demand for ARM versions of most games. So Microsoft is in a bit of a chicken and egg scenario. The gamers avoid these new laptops because you can't play games on them, and the game makers don't make games for them because there are no gamers demanding those. So it's honestly a bit of a challenge here for Microsoft and Qualcomm. But there are two other items mentioned in this article that are worth noting. One, it seems that anti-cheat software for games is a bit of a sticking point in getting games to run natively on ARM chip laptops. It seems Qualcomm has realized this too and is trying to get these software companies to overcome the issue. And secondly, it would seem that Intel is going to be releasing chips that will have these AI engines in them in September. So that will give PC gamers an opportunity to get a machine that can play both games and have these AI features. However, they will still be Intel-based machines and probably won't have the battery life benefits that these Qualcomm machines have, which I think is probably one of the driving features that most people are buying these new ARM laptops for. So that's where we currently stand with these new Copilot plus ARM-based PCs. I think the jury is still out on these machines. I think there are a lot of laptop buyers that don't care about games and are interested in the battery life advantage. But unfortunately, these new machines still don't make sense for a sizable portion of the market. Seems like the jury's still out. It's only been a few months, so I guess we'll see. But that's all I have on this topic today. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.